gross. Sewage? Are you kidding me? I don't want to kiss my soulmate if they taste like sewage.
I am so excited. My soulmate tastes like strawberries.
Good for you.
Wait, I need you to kiss me right now.
Ew, what?
I want to know what my flavor is.
Bestie, I love you so much, but not that way.
Come on, don't make it weird. Just give me one kiss. That's it.
Fine.
Okay, so what do I taste like?
Cotton candy.
Wait, really?
Yeah, like dead on. Well, what's mine?
I think it's pina colada. It was so good.
Well, at least mine isn't gross then.
Come back here right now!
Oh, what is going on right now?
Literally everyone is kissing each other to find out their soulmate.
What?
Well, you have to kiss people to know.
Yeah, I know that, but that's so gross and weird.
Nobody kissed Tyler. He tastes like sewage water. Isn't that your...
No. 69 cents? Of course it's 69.
Honey, are you kidding me? You're basically worthless.
And yours is $1 million? Then how did I get 69 cents?
It's probably because I'm just better than you. Get a job and fix it or I'm kicking you out.
What? But Mom, it's not my fault.
I don't care if it's not your fault. That's so embarrassing. Get a job or you're sleeping on the street.
Fine. Hi, are you guys hiring?
Do you have any previous work experience?
No.
Then no, we're not hiring.
Wait, please, I really, really need a job.
I'll hire you under one condition.
Okay, what condition?
You need to be my little brother's date to the prom.
What?
Please, he's a loser and no one will go with him.
Okay, I'll do it.
Perfect, then you're hired. He's right here, by the way. Hey, I'm Tate.
Bye.
Unfortunately, my acne has decided to make her comeback this year. My skin can get so bad so quickly, I don't even know how it happens. If your skin is irritated too, I'm gonna show you what skincare I use when my face is irritated that soothe it and help it. Slay. I am scared to try things new on my face, but when I tried this Cocoa Kind polypeptide cream, girl, the bottle says resurrection, and that's exactly what my skin needs currently. This is super moisturizing, which I need after I use heavy acne treatments on my face because that dries your skin out. It also helps with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which I need too. This comes out on November 1st if you want it. I recommend personally. My skin looks so much better. It also does not feel heavy at all. Also gonna put on some of their Silk SPF because I love to put this on underneath my makeup for the day. Beautiful. And finally, their tinted lip shield. All done. My face looks significantly better.
Morning.
Your balance is so low. Can you even buy words?
Did my paycheck not come in the mail yesterday?
No, nothing with your name on it came.
I need to call them. I'm not gonna be able to speak.
Do it now before you run out.
Hello, why haven't you guys sent me my paycheck yet? I worked 20 hours.
Hey, so we actually got busted for fraud and our company's going bankrupt.
Fraud? But what about my money and my hours?
Yeah, we can't pay you for any of it. I'm so sorry.
Oh, shit.
Dude, did you just waste your last 2 words saying, oh shit? Really? We need to find a different way that you can make money so you can actually speak again. Before you ask, no, I cannot give you any money. I barely have any myself. Hey, so the neighbor put up this flyer. She's looking for a dog sitter tonight. Do you want to do it? Perfect.
Hey, love, this is my dog, Marshmallow. Sorry, she's a little feisty one.
What? They want me to go to school in my pajamas? I'm wearing fluffy Christmas bottoms.
Bailey, is that you? I love your outfit today. It's so chic.
Stupid bitch.
I'm sorry, what did you say to me?
Nothing.
What's up, girl? Good morning.
Oh, hey, Mary, did you get a haircut?
Yeah, I did. I got some layers and a new color. Do you like it?
It's so ugly.
Are you being serious right now? I like it.
I guess so. Why are they literally trying to ruin my life?
Class, we will be taking another test today. Please put away your cell phones.
This is outrageous. We should never have to take a test ever again.
Yeah, I agree with her. Me too. We shouldn't have to take tests. I don't want to take it either. Yeah. What a good idea. You are so brave.
Thanks.
Did you really come up with that idea, though?
Yeah, we take it until we die. You and I will be yours forever. Just give it back. You like I'm
Yesterday was my best friend of 7 years, 21st birthday. And for her gift, I'm gonna be her sugar mommy for today. I'm taking her to the mall and I'm just gonna give her a budget and let her go into whatever store she wants and get whatever she wants. Let's go, she doesn't know. That's why I'm whispering. Really? What? This is so silly.
So I brought Maggie to the mall. Today I'm your sugar mommy. I'm gonna buy you whatever you want in the store, but there is a budget of $200. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Woo! You look out. Mommy. Maggie has picked her first item. We got a Fenty Glass Bomb Cream.
That one's like good.
Okay, item number 2. How are we feeling?
Feeling good. Smells delectable.
Girlie's digging for gold. Maggie just got some really cute earrings from Icing.
That was a lie. I literally got a necklace.
Oh, my bank account's crying right now. Maggie's done some damage, mostly an American Eagle. Did we have a good birthday?
We did. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, honey, I'll give you some words so you can actually communicate. My grandson is upstairs, too.
Okay, great. Is he good with dogs?
He's actually afraid of Marshmallow. The pay is $100 an hour. Have fun.
Okay. Who's a good boy? Okay, not you, apparently.
Marshmallow, stop trying to scare all our guests away. I'm sorry about her.
I don't think I can keep this dog under control.
Literally none of us can. This dog is crazy, but I'll help.
Okay. I'm Bailey, by the way.
My name's Jack, but why did you even agree to dog sit?
I really, really need the money. My mom said she'll kick me out if I don't get a job.
I'm surprised you didn't run away the second you saw this dog. Listen, I know a lot about this dog. I can just help you the whole time.
You would do that?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, you did such a great job. I'm gonna give you a tip as well.
We share the same height, but I'm 5'3".
Apparently me and my soulmate share the same toes. What does that even mean?
Wow, and I thought mine was bad.
I know. What's yours?
They're my height.
Well, that's not even that bad. Short people are so cute.
It'll be easy to find them since I'm looking them right in the eyes.
That's a good way to look at the bright side. You got any money for lunch, freak? Can you just put me down?
Guys, stop. What are you doing?
We're throwing them into a dumpster, duh.
This isn't a high school movie. That's so mean.
Yeah, and what are you gonna do about it?
Need I remind you that my dad is the principal?
No, you don't need to remind us. Have a good day.
Okay, bye. I am so sorry about them. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay now. Thank you.
Oh, you're...
Short? Yeah, I know. Everybody makes fun of me for it.
I was doing some shopping the other day and I stumbled into Hot Topic. Turns out they have a clothing line that is Hocus Pocus Disney themed. Let's do a haul.
Here is the first top. This is extremely cute and it has little cauldrons and like witches potions all over it. I also love this detail. Next up, to spice up my life a little bit, I got a cardigan that you can literally wrap all the way around like a burrito and it has cat heads on it. Did I mention that it has a hood too? I'm now wearing my favorite piece. You're not ready. It has spider webs on the arm, which is such a cool detail. I just can't do it with a train. I love it. Last but certainly not least is this black cat themed Hocus Pocus hoodie. Look at how cool the back of this is. It's also so soft. I'm gonna wear this every day. If you want to get any of the items I just showed you, you can get them from Hot Topic. It is the Disney Hocus Pocus collection. I'm obsessed. You should be too.
Maybe you should it, or maybe you could scream it. Might be best to keep it.
Wait, what is that? Looks 10, intelligence 1.
Everyone has to choose between the two options they're given.
Well, what did you pick?
Obviously, I picked being pretty, duh.
I think I'll go for this one.
Ooh, sorry, I saw something shiny.
Look what you made me do!
Oh, it was just a bug.
I don't want to be really smart. I want to look like Bella Hadid.
Hey, Bailey, can you please help me with something?
Whoa, you look so different.
Yeah, anyway, my car said change oil and I put vegetable oil in and now it won't start.
You poured what into your car?
Vegetable oil, like the one you put in pans when you cook.
I can't help you.
Did you guys know that a lighter lights things on fire?
Is she for real? Did everyone pick being pretty except me?
I think so. I picked that too. I love being pretty.
That's not good.
It's almost your 18th birthday. Are you excited to finally see?
Can't wait to see what the world looks like.
Our town is beautiful. You'll love the color of everything. Plus, you get to experience it with James since you have the same birthday.
I know. I'm excited to see him specifically.
Oh, hey, is that you? I cannot wait to see what you really look like.
I know, me too. I hope you don't think I'm ugly. I haven't seen myself either.
I'd still be your best friend even if you were the ugliest rat ever. You guys, it's almost time. You'll be able to see in just 5 hours. Hey, let's both close our eyes and then open at the same time so we can see each other.
Okay, sounds fun.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, you're really tall.
And you're really short. Sorry I'm late. Did you finally tell her you've been able to see her this entire time?
What did you just say?
Yeah, he's had